Hello, this is Greg and Chris here. Hey, it's MAINE'S Food Reviews coming once again from the Power YouTube. So,
Ooh,
guys, this is the
energy drink.
Tornado Spark Energy, guys. This is new from
Looks good.
Dunkin.
Looks
Just came
good.
up this week, so
Yeah. Mm.
really good. It has two berry burst syrup, two peach sun syrup, and sparkling water.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, guys. There you go.
Oh my word, that's really good.
Oh, wow. Definitely gives you energy dose.
Wow.
Already perks you right up. You know?
Wow.
It's just a couple steps. Definitely gives you energy, doesn't it?
Wow, guys.
Wow.
That packs a punch.
Well, I'm not as, don't get me wrong, I'm not as crazy over as Mocha, but I'm going to give it a 9. Yeah.
I like it better than the mocha.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 10.
Yeah. Will you give it a 10? Yeah, cool.
I like it better than the mocha.
Mmm. I mean, it's good taste. I mean, I always pick the mocha over this anyways. I'm a coffee person, so I
Yeah.
like a little more coffee stuff.
So,
Mm. I like it. It's really
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Gives you a good jolt of energy. So,
Yeah, so
try
if
it
you
out.
guys are down in the neighborhood in Waterville, definitely check out College Ave Dunkin. They're
Yeah.
really nice people. They have really nice staff and really nice
Yeah.
managers. So
Yeah.
definitely
Yeah.
come and say hi to them and
Yeah,
check their
cheers.
business out. So
Mm.
hope you guys enjoy and definitely check out
Try this
the
out.
Tornado Spark Energy,
Yeah.
guys. It's new.
Yeah. So there you go.
Probably not going to be around
Yeah.
for a long time, but
No. 9
hopefully
for me.
hopefully they add
Yeah.
it to the menu.
9 for me and 10 fam, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, subscribe to our channel, MAINE'S Food Review. So more to subscribe to. Remember, subscribe, like, give the notification button, and remember, Jesus loves you, and we do
You
too.
too.
Peace out.
Peace.